Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Redmi Watch 5 Lite smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to focus on the specifications of the smartwatch. So this is a separate video review for the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. Although we already have a unboxing for its design and specs, this one it focuses more on its full specifications and the corresponding features that is related to it. So if you are interested to see or to know the Redmi Watch 5 Lite specifications and other features, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below. Alright, so let's begin and explore the specifications of the wearable. So the smartwatch do have a 48 by 39.2 by 10.6 millimeters. So let's check it out. As you can see here, it's around 10.6. Okay, so it's 9 without the sensor, but if you have the sensor, it's more than 10 here. Okay, for the dimension, for its length, let's check. So it is around 48 here. Okay, and for the width, so it is around 39, as you can see here. Okay, 39.2 on its specs page. Okay, so we don't have a digital measuring tool, so we'll just rely here on the markings. Okay, but based on its dimension for the specification page, it is 48 by 39.2 by 10.6. It has a glossy finish, okay, as you can see here, with a black color. What we have is the black color, but it's also available in light gold. Plastic frame, single button here. At the back, PC material. Okay, for the weight, so with this strap, it is around 42.9 grams. So let's see here if the smartwatch, okay, including the strap, will weigh around 42 something. Okay, 42.80 here. So it's close to the actual weight on its specs page. Okay, you can check the specifications of this Redmi Watch 5 Lite on the Xiaomi website. For the strap, yes, it's 22 here. I guess it's 22 millimeter. Maybe some typos. Okay, so it is 22 millimeter. I stand corrected. It's not 20 millimeter. It has a quick release pin, very easy to attach and remove the strap, as you can see here. Let's attach it again. There are some tools that you can use to attach this one, but in our case, we are just going to use our nails and fingers, of course. This is plastic, lightweight smartwatch that is very comfortable to wear. Okay, November. Okay, so this is the design of the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. Have a closer look. Beautiful looking smartwatch. Okay, next, for the display screen, the smartwatch has a 1.96 inch AMOLED screen with a 410 or 410 by 502 pixel resolution. It is a full touch screen with a 332 ppi, around 75.80% screen to body ratio. Again, 75.80% screen to body ratio. It is preloaded with several watch faces. So we have 1, 2, 3 watch faces here. For the features of the screen display, go to the settings. We have here the display. We have brightness adjustment, auto lock. We also have raise to wake, cover to sleep, tap to wake, and we also have an always on display support. As you can see here, you can set it to schedule. You can set the scheduled here, start of the always on display until the end. Okay, always on display will turn off automatically when you're asleep or not wearing the watch. That is for the smart function. Okay, so far there are 3 preloaded watch faces, but you can download additional watch faces on the support app, the Mi Fitness. For its sensors, the Redmi Watch 5 Lite smartwatch do have a heart rate sensor, a blood oxygen sensor, accelerometer, as well as gyroscope for its motion tracking. As you can see here, we do have a heart rate monitoring. We also have a blood oxygen monitoring. And of course, it is loaded with sports functions. So as you can see here, we do have several activity tracking. We have indoor and outdoor sports function. Regarding the indoor and outdoor sports function, this smartwatch do have at least several positioning system. We have GPS, as you can see here, Galileo, GLONASS, Beidou, and QZSS. The smartwatch also has a support, aside from the listed sports function, or regarding the listed sports function, the wearable do have a support for auto detect of your activity. As you can see here, when this feature is on, your watch will send a reminder when it detects that you have started workout. Supported workouts include running, walking. Okay, so we have running, so it includes GPS, cycling, walking, elliptical, rowing, and jumping rope. So these are the sports activity that will be automatically detected when you do the sports function. When it comes to connectivity, the wearable do have a Bluetooth 5.3. It also includes a speaker as well as a dual mic noise reduction function. With its Bluetooth 5.3 BLE, the smartwatch do have a support for Bluetooth call. I don't know if we do have some details here on the about section of the smartwatch. Version 5.2, this is the version. Let's check the system. Okay, we don't have the details. Okay, so only few information here for the wearable. Anyway, again, Bluetooth 5.3 with a speaker and a dual mic noise reduction. And for the battery, the smartwatch do have a 470 mAh battery with a typical usage time of 18 days. 12 days of heavy usage, 7 days of always on display. Okay, regarding the always on display, we have it here on the settings. We have the display here, always on, and we have it here. You can set it. Okay, main display. You can also disable it if you like. Okay, so for the specifications, again, 470 mAh battery with a typical usage time of 18 days, 12 days heavy usage, 7 days always on display. And for its charging cable, for the smartwatch, it uses a USB type A. So the charging cable here is pretty, or it's similar, the same with the Redmi Watch 5 Active, Xiaomi Smart Band 9, as well as the Xiaomi Smart Band Active. Okay, Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Active. Okay, so that's it for the full specifications of the Redmi Watch 5 Lite smartwatch. You can check the full specs below on the description, as well as the links for the Redmi Watch 5 Lite official page. Then if you have any questions, drop a comment below, like, share, and subscribe.